guys, so today I'm making grilled cheese sandwiches for me and my little sister. Yeah. And I'm sorry I didn't post on Saturday because I was having a sleepover, double sleepover to be exact. So I couldn't really post when I was playing with friends, and they're not even allowed on YouTube. And we were just way too busy to post, put up our Christmas tree and stuff. Yeah. I will be doing a bit more than just this, a bake with me. Yeah. I'm gonna show you guys Christmas decorations. And my elves are coming on Friday. I am so excited. It's almost my birthday. My birthday is December 18th. Right now, it's November 28th. I have it written on my hand. Don't know why. My nose. So, yeah. You know what? Me and Damon are just going to each get two. For the stack of it, apparently. But I'm gonna make her a hot dog just because we're out of bread. We only had 4 slices left. And I'm only making it for her because look who made me hot chocolate. I'm recording a video I post every Tuesday and Saturday, but last Saturday I couldn't, and today's Tuesday. Oh my gosh, it's perfect temperature. She just asked, "What are you doing?" So obviously I told her because, girl, it's not like I'm murdering your best friend. So ask her and she would probably say, "I don't have a best friend." Poor kid. Dimena, do you have a best friend? Exactly. I was just saying, it's not like I'm murdering her best friend or something. That's why I responded to her. And then I was like, well, then she would probably be like, "I don't have a best friend, so that's why I'm asking." Thank you for being such a good sport, I guess. Cutting off this side of it. The end piece part of the bread. I was doing this once, cutting off the end, and my thumb still has a small cut from that. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. There's probably bread on it, but there's still a small cut from that. It really hurts. Well, it did really hurt. And me and those friends who were sleeping over, we are doing a build challenge in Minecraft. Who builds the best swimming pool and the best house, all in creative though, because none of us would be able to survive survival, literally. So yeah. Cutting off the edges, just clean. And by the way, if you guys don't know how to make a grilled cheese sandwich, do this. I don't have that type of yellow square cheese, so I just shred up cheese. I hate doing this part. I just kind of mark where I'm gonna cut. See? And then I cut it through the marks. Hate doing that part because for some reason the sound and I don't know why I can feel it's going. It feels like it's going out of my teeth. I certainly don't like. Why would I like that? Need to clean up this mess, guys. Look at this mess. Look at this table right now, and I did all of this. is a problem. This thing is the best. I love it. Anyways, I'm gonna try to clean this now. I don't want to, but I gotta. I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Oh, I better have found on the floor. I'll have to pick that up. Okay, in the trash. Hopefully my parents don't see all this crust that I'm throwing out. Anyways. I'm so excited. My elves are coming this Friday, and right now it's Tuesday. And I will be posting every day when it comes to December. Unless just know if I don't post a video, then I'm probably busy, just don't have the time, or way too tired. I either don't feel like filming or I'm really busy. Yeah. Oh, the cheese is ice cold. It's like a freezing cold block of cheese. I don't care, I'll do it on the table. I already have enough crumbs on the table already anyways. Grate the cheese. This is only if you don't have that cheese. Otherwise, if you have that yellow, really yellow square of cheese, you can use that. But right now, I don't have it, so I just gotta do what I gotta do. So do it. And we have a Christmas concert. As you guys know, I live in Ireland, so we learn Irish at school. I don't know how, but Ireland used to be able to only eat potatoes. They used to only eat potatoes. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, all the time. Straight up potatoes or mashed potatoes, just potatoes, straight up. Can be any type of potatoes, but only potatoes. For breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then a virus came onto the potatoes, which sucked because then they had nothing to eat. Then most people moved to England because we had nothing but potatoes. But America and England and Scotland had other foods. They were fine. They had other foods. We only had potatoes. So the population in Ireland went smaller and smaller and smaller. So, yeah. And then because of that, we lost our language, right? So, English people started coming here, and American and stuff like that started coming here, and now, our language is practically English. Otherwise, I would be saying, Diaglit, Cadis, a Tatu 24/7. So, yeah. But Irish is actually extremely hard if you think about it. If you learn Irish, if you weren't exactly born with the language, if you were born around in Ireland around 2000s, then yeah, you will be born with instantly English straight up, because people rarely speak just straight up Irish anymore. Which is sad, but Irish is extremely hard, I can tell you. yeah. And for our Christmas concert, we have to sing all Irish. Some songs with a bit of English, but like all Irish mainly. So that is just sad. But singing all Irish can sometimes be fun. Like time flies by, like the yellow and green Shotgun. We're singing Shotgun. Like I don't think for the concert, but our class learned Shotgun, and like Shotgun goes like time flies by like the yellow and green. Stick around if you know what I mean. This mountain top, and I leave me alone where I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone, yeah, or whoa. Whatever. But for us it goes like dog hate killing. Like I'm singing this in Irish right now. Dog hate kilometer, televator. I'm bull boher, I'm bull boher. Into more sun atmosphere, tanta more I chalked in here, for the food to hear. In Wien town with some nasag is we is still group shit is some we egg bar slave blah 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 blah. Silent, see, in the free. Like Mish talks and Ushtan. I don't know, like that part. Link to Shiga Humlan. Whoa. Like Mish talks and Ushtan. Blah blah blah. And link to Shiga Humlan. Whoa. Yeah. And don't judge me by my singing because, like, when I'm singing on YouTube, I just know that, like, all of you are watching and there's a lot of you. So, like, it's, like, kind of stage fright, but, like, I'm doing this to myself. I literally want to do it. So I can't really be complaining right now. That's the thing. If there's any leftover cheese, you can just eat it. Like, just put all the grated cheese inside of the bread, squashing the bread up. Like, I don't know, like Play-Doh or something when you're trying to make like some flat square, triangle, or circle, whatever. It's like I'm trying to make a flat triangle. Then I just put all these in the microwave. See, will they all fit? They probably won't fit all at once, so 2 at once, unless if you have one of those microwaves with more than 2 slots. Yeah, I need to wait to get these. Why was that actually like making the noise and smoking? Like what the hell? It's making a noise and smoking. What? I'm scared, guys. Did I do something? Am I gonna set a fire? Cause like, this is how I always make it. It's never actually made a noise. It started smoking, kind of. It's not really smoking that much. Can you guys see me? Okay, I better take this with me. Can you guys see the smoke? It's kind of like, you guys probably can't see it, but I wonder if you guys can hear it. I don't know if you guys can. Well, it's not smoking anymore now. Just in case. Like, I got really scared there. Maybe when I start the new stock, it'll start smoking again. The other two. Yeah, that's what I'm taking out. I'm too scared. Get the knife because there's no way. I'm just gonna straight up grab it from the toaster. Hallelujah. There. Oh, jeez. This other one is not planning on coming out. Oh, these. I have to take it from my. Took. I'm gonna use another strategy. 2 forks to get this one out. Because this one's surely not planning on coming out. 2 forks. Almost there. Got it. Got it. That was hard. Got it out. That was actually hard. Could have died. I could have fallen into the toaster. I'm only tiny. Nah, actually, I'm not. I'm a regular sized in a piece of bread. Anyways, goes in. Goes in. There. See? See, it was kind of smoking. I'm scared, guys. It's okay, I'll be fine. Scared eating. I'm stressed right now. Stress spelled backwards is dessert, and for me, cheese is dessert. No, this tastes too magical. I don't deserve this. Sorry I'm taking a while, Jimena. Too good. I seriously don't deserve this. For me, sometimes eating plain cheese is just slang. Oh, that scared me. Time to try it and get the toast out of the toaster. Please go higher. Okay, got one piece. Oh, that piece was really working with me. It really did like the toaster. Same with this piece. Okay, that stack was really easy to get out. I'm trying to get a plate. Jimena's. Just, yeah, that looks good enough. A stack of grilled cheese. I had to. Okay, just close the microwave. That's kind of bothering me. Okay, there, my stack of cheese, grilled cheese. That's it, and for me, now I'm just gonna grate some cheese. Just grate it. Straight up plain cheese. And guys, I'm so happy. if you did not know, I'm on the school team, right? And we made it to the finals, and I played in it. So happy that I got to do that, but sadly we lost, but we still got silver medals. So it can't be that bad. At least we got to the finals. Most of the team is like sad, but I'm happy that we got to the finals. And by the way, that was like 2 weeks ago. I'm sorry I didn't tell you guys. Ow! Your bread was so sharp. Didn't get a cut, but it poked me. Checking to see how much they raise. I'm weird. I'm too weird. This is a cheese grater, right? But my parents used to my parents grate carrots and stuff on this, people do that, right? It's I think it's normal. But then why is it called a cheese grater? That's what I'm confused about. This is enough. Enough cheese. Uh-oh. It's okay. I'll be with you guys in a second. I'm just doing something real quick. Yeah. Guys, you're the best. For the people who stayed subscribed to me, you're the best. Thank you. And I don't know why I'm acting super stupid today, but I don't care. Literally my sister's attitude. I'm gonna put the cheese away. I'm gonna make this actually look good. Not like a big fat mess. Yeah, there's so much crumbs. I don't want my dad to get mad at me, so clean that up. Oh my gosh, last time Damon and I made such a big mess with crumbs, and my dad blamed it on me. Well, he didn't blame it on me. Damon blamed it on me. It wasn't me, though. Why don't you blame it on me? I didn't do nothing wrong, sister. POV, you're on your sister's side, but then she says tells your parents something you did. Switching sides. Yes, switching sides. Trying to turn off the lights. Jeez. Trying to set it on the trash can. Hopefully it doesn't slip because my trash can is not straight and I'm struggling to carry 2 plates, 1 phone, and 1 hot chocolate right now. All in one time. Dimana, quickly take your grilled cheese. It's at the top. It's at the top. I can't hold this anymore. My hand hurts. I took some cheese for myself because I love cheese. 2? Yeah. Sorry, no bread, only for... Oh, I left it in the kitchen. Sorry, I'll go get it. And it's wet because of the... Dang it! Dude, it's so hard to not go. No. No problem. Okay, guys. And I'm going to show you guys our Christmas decorations. Ignore this table. It's pretty messy right now. But here is our Christmas tree. It's gorgeous, right? We have our stockings and lights. TV, that's my food, by the way. And here we have these decorations. And I love it. If you guys don't love it, that's okay. But I do. And my family does. And that's pretty much all that matters. because it is our Christmas tree. And so, you guys, that's the end of the video. Sadly, I love you guys. Bye. Love you. Mwah.